I've just done the outline on a purple piece of paper, and now I'm going to switch over to the black just to accentuate the colors of the tissue paper. I've done the same general outline. You could use a template if you want to in order to create lines that you're comfortable with. However, I did this one freehand, and I'm going to begin cutting. I'm using regular scissors for this part of the process, but if you have some ornate scissors, these kind of funky cut scissors, a lot of kids have them right now, you can just go ahead and cut, and I'll do it a little bit larger so you can see the effect of that, which makes it a little interesting. We'll do the bottom piece here. This would be a nice edge to have along our piece, but since we're doing something a little more standard, I'm going to take the straight scissors and cut right along our template line. Now when we're cutting this, we want to be sure not to cut the fold unless it's in this negative space here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the negative space that'll be eventually filled with our tissue paper. And we're going to cut right along the lines. If you see the lines, it's okay. We're going to put that on the back side of our butterfly.